welcome to Gordon Guitar. Tate McRae, Chaotic. So this one is very easy song to handle and play. Goes almost in the same way through the entire song. Small changes here and there, otherwise, yeah, simple actually. So let's start with the capo on the 3rd fret, and we have 5 chords to handle for this song. So the first chord will be G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord, B minor. So that is a bar here on the 2nd fret from A string and down. So that means 5 strings. And the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd E, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Next chord is E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And final chord will be D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so this song is so easy that I'm actually gonna try to speak meanwhile we're playing through this song. Different parts, not the whole song of course, but yeah, when it's repetition I'm gonna say that. So let's go. It's only about downs here for this song. So I'm gonna take down tempo a little bit so you are able to listen to what I'm saying and perhaps understand what we're doing here. So let's start with the intro. It will be G, 4 downs, B minor, 4 downs, and 8 downs of A. And that is how the song starts. First verse, G, 4 downs, B minor, 4 downs, A, 8 downs. Go the same there, another round. G, 4 downs, B minor, 4 downs, and A, 8 downs. Now comes the pre-chorus. You set it loose, so 4 downs on G, B minor, 4 downs, A, 8 downs. So we're just gonna play the same here, and again, 4 downs on G, B minor, 4 downs, and the ending of pre-chorus 1 is 5 downs on A plus a pause. Okay, so we're speeding up here and we'll play the pre-chorus 1. Now starts the first chorus, and you're gonna play that in the same way as we just did. Same chord progression. We're starting with, in the lyrics, I'm trying my best. So 4 downs on G, 4 downs on B minor, and 8 downs on A. Nothing changes there. And again, 4 downs on G, 4 downs on B minor. And for this A, you're gonna play 4 downs plus a big pause, because it's vocal lyric only in the end of this chorus. So 4 downs on A and a pause. And that is the chorus. Alright, so that takes us to the second verse, and that one will be played in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus. So it's just repetition for the second round. After the second chorus in the lyrics, and maybe I'm just blowing all this shit up in my head, that's the bridge part starting there, and we're gonna incorporate some new chords. So you're gonna play E minor, 4 downs, G, 4 downs, B minor, 4 downs, and D, 4 downs. You're gonna play this for 3 rounds, this chord progression. So E minor, 4, G4, and then B minor 4, and D4. And the final round of this chord progression, E minor 4, G4, B minor 4, D4. That's 3 rounds. Now we have the 4th and final round, E minor 4, G4, B minor 4, and just 1 down on A. So to summarize this bridge part here, we had 3 rounds of E minor, G, B minor, and D. 4 downs for each and every chord. On the 4th round, just the ending is different there. E minor 4, G 4, B minor 4, and 1 down on A. And after this bridge part comes the final part, the outro part. I'm trying my best here to be brutally honest. That's where we are in the lyrics. Just gonna play G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A, 1 down only per chord. 2 rounds of that. And that is actually how Tate McRae's song Chaotic, Beautiful Chaotic ends. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you were able to catch up here with this tempo. I believe so, because it's pretty much G, B minor, and A, kind of 80% of the song, and then a bridge part pretty in the same way, kind of as it is for the rest of the song. So very, very easy, this one. Give it a try, and I hope this was helpful for you guys. See you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.